The biggest lie ever told. Okay, so the plan today is to go ahead and remove everything that's left on the engine bay so we can go ahead and clean it up, shave it down a little bit, get rid of some of the stuff that I don't need, stitch weld the whole engine bay, and then paint it.
Next level.
Alright, so this just comes out of here, and you can remove the whole engine harness. This thing is huge, man. Now the windshield wipers.
Next level.
Now the windshield wipers motor with the arms, everything coming out. Alright, so I went ahead and removed all the brake lines from the ABS. This thing is a pain in the ass to do, and be ready to do a lot of cleanup. Alright, so next is the clutch line. You can see it right here. It's a metal line with a rubber piece right here, connected with a mount, and then it goes into the firewall. That clip just has a metal wire retainer. You just pull it down and then the whole thing slides out. Okay, so with that taken care of, now we can go ahead and remove the brake caliper with the line. Okay, so now I'm going to start undoing the power steering lines. I actually might as well let it drain out. Alright, with the lines unhooked, now let's go ahead and remove the power steering pump. Alright, I think this is when I'm going to end this video. I'm kind of stuck because to remove the brake booster, I believe it's got to be done from the inside. There's nothing else I can remove on the outside. To remove the fuse box, I got to disconnect it inside so I can take the whole harness out together with the fuse box. Everything is disconnected over here, but that is preventing me from taking it out. And then over here, the fuel lines right there, those I gotta get underneath the car and disconnect the whole thing from the back. What else? So yeah, I think the next episode, which is gonna be the weekend for me, I'm gonna start taking the interior of the car out, the dash, seats, carpet, everything. Alright, also I can't start tearing on the engine because I don't have an impact gun strong enough to remove the crank pulley bolt. The one I have only has 800 torque and it did nothing to it. So I gotta get a better one to start going at it. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.